y'all, I got her over in this field. Let's open her up a little bit here. Wow, you can't. It's just wheelies all day. Wow, y'all, 12'S is nuts. It literally just wants to get up on a wheel and go. You can't even quarter trigger it. Not even quarter trigger. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. That was brutal, man. Daggone, that was brutal. Dang on. Let me feel this motor too, because I'm running my that is running that 800 kV on 12'S. Let's see what she feels like in there. Where is that? Ice cold. Well, she got a little temp, but nothing yet. Let's keep running it. Man, it's brutal, y'all. You see that front tire ballooning open? That's a belted. Oh no, that's a belted tire, y'all. Okay, just tearing it alive. Man, this thing's so badass. Sorry for the language. I can't wait to jump it. Oh yeah, you didn't think I was gonna jump it because it's got a max 4 in it? Oh yeah, I'm jumping it. I'm gonna send this thing to the moon. I had a guy tell me, look at it. I mean, it's nuts. You flip the throttle on this thing, it's nuts. Holy crap. $12'S animal, boy. $12'S animal. Are you kidding me? What? Wow. That's all I'm gonna say. Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow. 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 Ooh, battery hanging out. Wow. Wow, y'all, check her out, man. Let's see what she feels like, because this thing's an animal. Oh my God, this thing's an animal. It is cold out here, y'all. Look at that, battery hanging out. Not even warm. Not even warm. Let's see that motor. 800 got a little warmth to him now. Yeah, he's a little warm. I got this thing geared up 25, 30, y'all, too. Man, that thing is nuts. Woo-wee. Different, y'all. This gentleman in the blue car asked me to translate some Spanish so he could figure out where it came from. And well, I told him how much this setup was. He don't know if he wanted it. But I did tell him he can get cheaper ones. You ain't gotta get this. Wow, this thing's, it's nuts, y'all. Ooh. So, should we send her, y'all? Should we bring the ramp down here and send the 12'S monster off of it? Oh, we broke something. I broke something. What did the 12'S snap? I bet it broke a drive cup or something. Yep, right there. Broke a wheel. What did we break? Did it break an axle? It did. A VITAVON drive axle snapped a pin right off of it. That's all right. Arthur will send me a new one, or I got another one at the house actually. But man, I ain't carrying your big ass home. Let's take a roller on home. All right, y'all. What do you think? First shakedown, y'all. What do you think of that, huh? What do you think of that beast? Snapping drive shafts. Holy hell, y'all. And we're gonna send it. I'm not joking. This Max 4 is getting sent. I ain't playing. I beefed this whole VITAVON chassis and everything else up for that reason. We're sending this truck further than I've ever sent anything in my life. And y'all gonna see it. Let's get them subscribers up. Keep watching, y'all. If you want to see this truck go further than you've ever seen an Outcast 8'S show in your life, I'm gonna try to do it for you. We're gonna send this thing to the moon, y'all. Stay tuned. All right, if you ain't doing something you love, doing something wrong. Max 4 VITAVON chassis kit, Max 4 combo, Hobbywing, 800 kV, 12'S. Ooh-wee. Let's go. All right, y'all. So this is gonna be after the run. I'm gonna show up my setup here real quick, and only because it's after. Just cause, but there it is. That's a Hobbywing 800 kV, y'all. Still running the 800. It is 25-30 gearing, VITAVON chassis. It's got all the VITAVON bracing. The Max 4 combo is what it's called. It's made for Max 4s. Still got your top plate up here to hold your body don't break down on it. It's got VITAVON links, guys. VITAVON hubs and knuckles, front and rear. There's the rear ones. It's got a VITAVON bulkhead in the back. Said all the bracing's there and everything's there. It comes with carbon fiber battery trays. Boom, boom. Right there from VITAVON. Comes with them. All the bracing, all the chassis, everything you see, guys. All VITAVON gears. Yeah. Well, here it is, though. The piece de resistance. It calls the Max 4 combo for a reason. There she is, y'all, in all her glory. Hobbywing Max 4. Look at that thing. And the way he did it, look, guys, it sits right in there. Look at that. Perfect. And I want to show you all this real quick, too. Well, you've seen it already, but check it out. I also had Kimberly from BasherQueen make me this plate on the back here so I keep my outcast instead of going to a Creighton body. Because obviously this stretched it on the Creighton chassis to have the Max 4. It's just what it is. But look at that, guys. It sits perfectly. I don't know if I can show you up in. Yeah, look at that. It still sits perfectly right on the mount where it's supposed to, the body right there. You see it? Boom. It still fits right up on there where it's supposed to. The little pegs go right in the hole still, even with the Outcast body. And on the Creighton, you have to cut your body out for that to sit down in there because it does not fit. So you can run a Max 4 in here. I mean, it's close right there. It's close. I might space it up a little bit. I ain't ran it yet, guys. I just don't want it hitting down on it or nothing like that. But it is close, so we still might cut a hole out for these wires at least, just to let them have room to not be smooshed down. But I think it's gonna be fine though, because it's gonna hit on that brace. It's not gonna let it go down no further than that right there. So that's it, y'all. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, there, obviously there's the motor mount that comes with it too. And this piece right here, it has a longer piece that sticks up higher to adapt to the bigger motor, the 70, yeah, whichever one it is, the big boy motor, you know what I'm talking about, the 560 or whatever. But, and you see it's got the mounts up here for the Max 4. It's all made for this. This whole kit from VITAVON is made for this. When I talked to him and asked him to make this kit, it was because of me, guys. You're welcome. I told him I wanted to put the big motor in my Outcast and still be able to feel like it could take whatever and still take it. And I think this thing is going to be just fine, y'all. But again, Arthur from VITAVON, I cannot thank you enough, sir, for making this for me. And you guys, it is on sale at his website now. Max 4 combo on VITAVON. Look how beautiful this thing is. I was told the other day by a gentleman that I have the best looking Outcast / Creighton that there is. And that meant a lot to me, y'all. So, and I don't think he's lying when he says I got the best looking one. I might even be the best performing one, just saying. So, and I'm not trying to toot my horn or nothing like that. You guys, I took a lot of time on this. M2C 7mm shock shafts in the rear of the ISB ones. I haven't changed the front yet because they've been hanging in tough. I can't say, I just ecstatic about this build, guys. And that's 12'S, obviously. VITAVON bulkhead. There it is. Absolutely beautiful. But yeah, this kit was not for sale, and I asked him to make me a custom chassis and bracing and custom everything to go along with everything else I had VITAVON on here, and this is what he came up with. And I'm pleased to say he didn't just sell it to me. It is now for sale on his website, and it comes with everything, guys. It comes with the 1.5 gears. It comes with the battery trays. It comes with the chassis. It comes with all the bracing. It comes with everything. Everything to slap a Max 4 right on it, just like that right there. And you guys, you can go down here and see underneath. You do have room where you can adjust. You can slide it forward, back. You just loosen the 2 screws and you can slide it all the way back here. You know what I mean? It go anywhere you want. I just ain't played with it yet. I ain't had a chance to take it out and do nothing with it yet. It's here, and it is huge, y'all. Like, That's an 800 kV motor, y'all. That is a big motor. That's a big motor. I mean, look at this thing. Just look at this thing. It's massive, dude. Look at that. 300 amps of raw power. And I might even still run this on 8S after I check it on 12 because I didn't get it to tear the truck up. I just know these run cool. I know they got massive power. And just like any other rig, if you take your 6S rig and put an 8S ESC on it, still run on 6S, you got more power. Same concept, guys. If I take my 8S rig and I put a bigger ESC in it, more power, but I still run it on 8S, it's going to push more power to it. So, and until I get the bigger motor, I know this can take 12S. I've seen it do it, but it's not really recommended. And this is recommended for no higher than 600 kV on 12S. So 800, I think it'll be all right. But you guys, there it is, man. You can't. I left everybody in the M2C. All the greats are here. M2C's in the build, guys. I also had their chassis brace ends, but I obviously don't have them on here now. But M2C's in the build, you guys. BasherQueen, I had to include her. That's why I had the bag built, the VITAVON, the Hobbywing. I mean, 3DRC. All the good people that I thought I wanted in this build, they're there, guys. That's ARRMA Skins right there. I'm proud of this thing. Oh, VITAVON bell crank up in there too. All the steering units, all VITAVON. Obviously, I ain't got everything VITAVON yet. You can get all this now. You can get everything. I don't even need the whole battery tray and all that now because, yeah. Oh, there it is. That's enough of me running my chops and rambling. I hope y'all enjoyed it. This thing is a beast. I can't wait to do more with it, and I'm going to send it, y'all. That's what I got it for. I didn't get it and put all this money into it to sit it on a shelf and say, oh, look how nice it looks. We're going to send this thing and see how it does and how far it'll go. If you haven't already seen it, if I didn't send it on the first run. It's a good possibility I tried. We boys and girls, I'm trying to tell y'all, man. Look at this thing. Like, it's massive, y'all. Wow, just unbelievable. Everything can sit below that, so if anybody's wondering it don't hit. This is all different pieces too, guys. This all comes off. I mean, this is so easy too. You pop the pins here, guys. You pop your pins here, and you unbolt your bolts off the bottom. Everything's out. Wow, everything. Just pull your pins, two pins, undo your transmission on the bottom, or pull the pins off of it, and you can pull this whole center brace right off. Pins, out. Pull the bottom screws out with the pins, you pull the whole tranny out, or whole center transmission right out. Old diff, out. It's Arthur, amazing, bro. And I can't think of anybody that could actually say any different about that. Don't forget your Pyro Nitro covers, guys. Check them out. He's in our giveaway too. That's the other thing, guys. We got a huge giveaway at 1,500. I love y'all. If you could push it, get it out there. I mean, it ain't benefit me. It's benefit you. It's got a whole Creighton 6S BasherQueen with center brace. The whole kit from BasherQueen for your 6S rig. It's got Pyro Nitro covers, roof skids and covers. It's got CNHL lipo. Yeah, you heard me right. China Hobby Line lipo in this giveaway. It's got code 118 smart wallet like this one right here that they gave me. This is the titanium one. It's going to have one of these in there, not the titanium one. It's going to be a black one, a gray one, a green one, a blue one, whichever. They sent me a bunch for the giveaways. The carbon fiber backplate's separate too, guys. Either way, code 118 is in the giveaway. ARRMA Skins, you seen him on the bottom here. He's going to give me a code for somebody to get them a skin of their choice and with free shipping. Am I forgetting anybody else here? Guys, we was going to have basher bodies in on this one, but they didn't pull the trigger on this one. He said on the next one, next year, let them be in a better situation. We're going to have basher bodies give us on one of our giveaways, guys. But this giveaway that's happening right now is huge, guys. Like, the whole carbon fiber kit, CNHL lipos, ARRMA Skins, code 118 wallets. This is a $50 wallet, y'all. Like, I mean, they're on sale for $50 right now, actually. They're not cheap. You know what I mean? They're nice. Smart wallet. Look at this. Push a button. Bah, flip all your cards out. It's amazing. It's amazing. I love this thing. Game changer. Titanium. The other ones are made of aerospace alloy. But yeah, guys, this giveaway is huge. So if y'all are interested and you want to be part of this and you enjoy what you're seeing here, all this good stuff like this, stay tuned. We're going to have plenty more of it. And I hope nobody feels like I'm trying to toot my horn or nothing like that. It's absolutely, I'm just trying to show you guys this because I put a lot of time and effort and money into this thing, and I am over the moon ecstatic about how it turned out, guys. So that's all it is, and me trying to show you what you are able to get yourself to. And hopefully somebody does buy one and they can appreciate it. And like I said, you're welcome, because I had him make this. Like, yeah, I'm proud of this. I really am. I'm proud of working with him and asking him to do this, and I'm over the moon at what he came up with. Like, I knew he would, but man. All right, I'll quit talking, y'all. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. 1,500, I'm going to be doing a huge giveaway. Our last giveaway winner You can check him out. He commented in. He'll tell you it's real, guys. It's not a hoax to get subscribers. It's nothing. It's a real giveaway. He's going to take a video or send me pictures of all the stuff he just got. So, all right. With that being said, y'all, I hope y'all join in and hope to see y'all in the next video. And until then, if you ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong, y'all. Peace out.